Did you know that a compromised skin barrier can lead to issues like dry skin, itchiness, eczema flare-ups, and premature skin aging? We're going to dive in today what Byrdie wrote and 11 tips that they have and some suggestions that I have because I have dry eczema skin too. So today's article is by Byrdie, 11 ways to repair a damaged skin barrier according to experts. The skin barrier has been a popular topic of discussion within the beauty industry lately, and for good reason. Its health is crucial to maintaining a thriving environment for the skin's natural pH level, and without it, the skin can act out. Think your skin barrier may be damaged? A few indicators include the skin looking drier, redder, and inflamed. It can also feel tight and itchy. To which I say, if you notice any of those signs personally, definitely pay attention to what your skin is trying to tell you. And everybody's skin is differently, so what may work for your sister, your mother, your cousin, your friend may not work for your skin, so you're going to have to do a little bit of trial and error to figure out what your skin barrier needs specifically for you. It's also about knowing what can trigger a pH imbalance, such as environmental stressors and over-exfoliating. With that in mind, we tapped board-certified dermatologists Rachel Nazarene, MD, and Sherry Marchbein, MD, to break down everything there is to know about the skin barrier. Below, find out what it is, how it works, how to know if your skin barrier is weakened, and then learn 11 ways you can repair a damaged skin barrier, plus expert recommended skincare products such as skin barrier specific creams. I'm going to share oils specifically. That'll help speed up the process. So what is a skin barrier? It's been a buzzword for good reason, like stated earlier, but it is a crucial part to your overall health. Another cool thing about the skin is it can indicate what's going on internally also. So just like you pay attention to the diet and things that you are putting into your body from the foods that you're eating or not eating, then you want to also pay attention to what you're putting onto your skin, because your skin is a living, breathing organ and responds to what is being put on it topically, environmentally. Those are things to take into consideration. The skin barrier is also sometimes referred to as moisture barrier or acid mantle, is a term used to describe the top layer of your skin. The barrier is essentially the delicate balance of the skin's hydration and microbiome that keep it strong and healthy, adds Dr. Nazarene. So why is it so important that we keep our skin barrier moisturized, nourished, and healthy using natural and organic ingredients whenever possible? Especially your skincare routine makes a huge difference, especially as we get older. I'm going to be 41 in September, and through diet, just lifestyle diet, and using a good quality skincare routine, I've been able to reverse the look of aging just by doing those two things and just making it part of my daily habit and lifestyle. You can do it too. It's very simple. We don't have to overcomplicate it, but when you put in that little extra effort, you will absolutely reap the benefits of treating your body with wholesome foods and also high quality natural skincare. Why is the skin barrier important? The skin barrier has two general roles: keep the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. The skin barrier protects the internal body from physical toxins such as pollution and harmful chemicals and ultraviolet radiation from sun exposure. The skin barrier also helps the body to hold on to natural moisture by preventing transepidermal water loss. Dr. Marchbein notes that if the outermost layer of the epidermis doesn't contain enough water, skin will lose elasticity, appear rough, dry, and flaky, and I might add, look tired and looks older than your skin should be. Poorly hydrated skin is also unable to maintain an appropriate intact skin barrier, leaving the skin more vulnerable to damage and external environmental sources. Dr. Nazarene adds that people with a weakened skin barriers also tend to be more prone to redness, itching, and dryness. A healthy skin barrier is key to obtaining hydrated, glowing, even skin, so that way it can age more gracefully and we don't have to necessarily look our age. You can make your skin still appear youthful and healthy and vibrant, and you can feel beautiful in your skin at any age. It's not just for the young. You can look beautiful and feel confident as we get older at any age. Signs that your skin barrier is damaged: disruption in the core function of the skin barrier can present in a number of ways, including rosacea and eczema. I have both, so I can relate to that. Eczema is definitely a genetic thing for my family, but also it's environmental and seasonal. So in the fall and the winter months, that's when I used to struggle the most. I've learned over the years how to control it and keep it to a minimum, if at all, using natural and organic skincare. And others are chronic skin irritation, itchy skin, dehydrated, dull skin, hyperpigmentation, skin infections, delayed wound healing, increased inflammation, exacerbation of breakouts. So how do you repair your skin barrier naturally, and some lifestyle tips? Number one is be kind to yourself, give yourself grace. That's the biggest thing, and it sounds woo, but it is true. Number two, they said to pare down your skincare routine. I can attest to this. For the last 11 plus years, I have used 2 products, 3 if I'm feeling really crazy, together, which is a simple coconut oil sugar scrub and a mango butter face and body cream. I use them together. And then sometimes I'll use a witch hazel, alcohol-free, or I'll use castor oil in addition to those. That's what my skin loves, and it responds well to. It has helped to calm the dry skin, prevent the itchy skin, prevent aging, and prevent the eczema, which is huge. Byrdie also suggests using a gentle but effective skin cleanser. I personally and highly recommend using a castile soap because it has oils in it. So it's moisturizing your skin, but it's also cleansing your skin. You can use it on your face, your whole body. You can use it for hand soap, especially if you struggle like I do in the fall and the winter months. Using a castile soap will be a game changer, especially if you can get one that has essential oils in it, or just use one that has no scent in it. Consider using a serum or moisturizer designed with your skin barrier in mind. So again, back to the oils, I love using an organic, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. I've done other videos covering it, how it can help prevent breakouts. It can help with skin aging. Check those out. I'll put links up above. This goes on to say, look for a multifaceted moisturizer. So coconut oil is a great multifaceted. Mango butter is multifaceted. They have different vitamins and nutrients, and they play together beautifully to help your skin to repair and nourish itself. It has ceramides in it and vitamins A, D, E, K. This is where exfoliating gets a bad rap because it says stay clear of over-exfoliating. So I personally use a sugar scrub every single day, and here and there people will be like, you shouldn't exfoliate every day. Yes, here's the caveat. So the best way to repair this condition is to avoid cleansers that further strip the natural barrier. As such, Dr. Nazarin says to avoid over-exfoliating with ingredients such as AHAs or BHAs, including glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and retinoids. This is especially important if you're using actives in other areas of your routine. So those ones, yes, I understand you need to use it like once a week if you're going to use it, so that way you're not stripping your skin of its natural moisture barrier. But if you're using something natural and gentle, like the sugar and coconut oil, that I'll put a photo up here so you can check it out. It actually helps the skin to repair itself. It helps to remove that top layer of dull, dry skin, so that way when you're putting on lotion or oil, your skin can actually absorb it. It's not getting blocked by that barrier. And it helps the oil to get into your skin and to repair and nourish your skin, to give it that healthy, natural glow instead of just sitting on top and not absorbing. And side note, my grandma used to say something, and I used to be like, yeah, which is, there's some truth to it. So she used to say, it's painful to be beautiful. So I think she was talking about shoes, honestly. But when it comes to our skincare routine, we don't have to punish and torture our skin to make it look more youthful and rejuvenated and beautiful. You can do other methods and use other ingredients to help your skin look beautiful and moisturized and nourished without like leaving your skin raw and red, irritated for a week, so that way you can get healthier skin later. That doesn't make any sense to me. To each their own, but I don't think you have to go that route. I think there are better alternatives, especially natural ones with no side effects that will help your skin and give you the results that you're looking for. And last tip that they gave, which I highly agree with, is shower with lukewarm water. Dr. Nazarin says that hot water is much more likely to strip oils from the skin surface, so the best way to clean your skin is to bathe with lukewarm water and use gentle soaps. So if you are like, I love hot showers, screaming hot showers, it's how I relax, try doing it, like keeping it to a minimum, like once or twice a week. Or if you're like, I have to do it every single day, then fine, just take your hot shower and then turn it down, the water temperature down at the end of your shower, so that way you're keeping some oil on your skin. And then use something like the moisturizing sugar scrub or a body polish with oil in it to help put the moisture back into your skin. And when you get out of the shower, make sure you pat dry so that way you're not accidentally over rubbing and over drying your skin. That way you're keeping the moisture on your skin. You don't want to put the moisture onto the towel that you're using to dry off with. So let's wrap this up with a big bow. The takeaway: your skin barrier is meant to protect you by keeping bad things out and good things in, like water. However, our outside environment and skincare routines are all taking a toll on our skin barrier. The new wave of skin barrier-friendly products in an opportunity for a skincare reset with a new focus on curating functional, gentle, effective, and enjoyable routine. If you notice that your skin is more red, irritated, or sensitive than usual, your skin barrier may be damaged, and it's time to take necessary steps to repair it. So this is where the trial and error comes in. You can skip that whole long drawn out process of like, where do I even start? It doesn't need to be overwhelming, but I do have a skincare quiz that you can take that'll guide you and ask you a few simple questions about what your lifestyle is, what are you currently using, what are you looking for, and then give you some suggestions at the end. And it's curated to your specific skincare needs. I'll put links to that down below so you can check it out, and also resources to the article. I hope you found this video to be informative and educational and inspiring. If you found this to be helpful and you want to find out more information, check out this video next, where I deep dive into how coconut oil helps the skin, especially if you have dry eczema skin. And make sure to like and subscribe to find out more content, and I'll see you in the next video.